Hello guys, good morning. Time check, it's already, what time is it? 5 o'clock in the morning and we're here in Tagaytay City in Bulalo, Capital. Welcome to Bulalo, Capital. We're done with our very early breakfast. We eat our breakfast as early as 4 o'clock in the morning. Hi Mayor, say hi to my viewers.
Hello.
Viewers.
Hello to all
Followers,
viewers of LG.
followers.
We are in Tagaytay.
Yes.
So it's
in
already 4 o'clock in the morning, 4 ba?
five.
It's already 5:20.
5:20
So and
in
we're
the
still
morning.
here in Tagaytay. We just ate here at the Bulalo Capital.
Capital. Yes. Sisig Tawilis na. Tawilis.
Where is this? Ayan.
No.
Kuwan daw na, lamig daw na. Ang kanang sisig na tawilis daw. Kasi daw na, doon yung
Wa taga ko ano? Tawilis. Naas.
Sige. Palit. Sige, magpalit na dito. Ako tayo sa
Sige, magpalit.
Sige.
Sige, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's buy something here in Kupa.
Hanapin ko yung
Coffee.
tuyo.
Wow, kanami sa cake. Wow, sarap. Oh, these are cakes. But
Wala, dinapin ka parang tayo.
wala pong pangalan ng cakes.
Ay, wala. Nabi ko pakita katong tuyo na favorite na ako.
Crispy?
Kanang spicy.
Spicy.
Kuwan siya ba? Bulat siya ba? Bulat siya. Nakutdan naman kayo nito ba? Ibig na pangkuhan ka siya.
3 or more.
Pangpagana lang siya.
Oh.
Sudan niyo lang siya.
Sa mukha, eh. Cafe, Mistizo, cafe.
Ay, ubi jam niya, Edge.
Ay, oo. Unsa na siya? Jam or dili ang
Jam, jam.
Ubi jam gid siya. Hala. Lami na. You may try.
Bapo kayo mong kuhan lagi. Bapo kayo itang mga skin niya.
Yes, it's so we're so flawless. There. We're here in Copa Coffee, here in Tagaytay City, with a very nice ambience.
We are here at Copa
Coffee.
Coffee. Copa Coffee. Wala daw.
Wala.
Pero nako wala.
Very cozy.
Pwede ka masaka?
Pwede po. Ay, yung resibo lang po.
Nalagay ko na dito. Gawas na ba itong resibo?
Lagi dyan, nag-resibo.
Ang nasa ako.